We all dread the moment when something goes wrong with our car. Then, the hassle of finding a good mechanic that you can trust begins. Along with that unsettling feeling of what the cost might be. Fortunately, we've built the solution. With hundreds of MTA-approved mechanics throughout New Zealand, My Auto Shop allows you to easily search, compare, and book your perfect mechanic. Simply tell us about your car, where you're based, and what kind of service or repair you're looking for. Then we'll give you a fixed price from highly rated, fully warranted garages in your neighbourhood. Now, you can grab a coffee and relax, knowing your car is in great hands. Rated and reviewed, MTA-approved garages, upfront pricing, multiple payment options, backed by our 10,000k warranty. My Auto Shop. Car servicing and repairs made easy.